Hi, my name is Asmat Bin Ismail. My matric number 181221800. Okay, today I will present about textile industry. Okay, the history of textile industry started in early 1970s when Malaysia embarks on sport orientation industrialization, which has led to the growth of the textile industry. In the following years, the existence of strong competition in this region had caused the industry to expand and become more innovative in meeting global market demand. Okay, our company name is Chieftain Fabrics, and okay, it is located at Jalan Kampung Bakau, Kangas, Selangor. Our Chieftain Fabric is not just only fabric store, because we also provide service for customer who need a guide in order to find special material based on their taste. The price of our product is very affordable, and our product is very high quality. We also provide various theme and pattern for fabrics, because we know that everyone has their uniqueness for fashion and style, and their uniqueness also bring their own identity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarifah Dini Binti Syed Khalil from 21D. Based on our product implementation process, our product type is textile and our company name is Chieftain Fabrics. Within these sectors, our company developed a range of products, some of which are sold to the market, whereas others are sold as inputs for the manufacture of other materials. Organic and synthetic fibers are used for the manufacturing of threads and yarns, which can be spun, knitted, or pressed into garments. To improve the decorative designs woven into the fabric, or to make the fabric more durable, stain resistant, or have other properties, coatings and finishes are added to the fabrics. Most items are made from materials including awnings, stands, carpets, and rugs, and a range of linens like drapes, napkins, blankets, and beds. The primary use of fabrics, however, is to produce clothing. Several knitted clothing items such as hosieries and socks, ties, sweaters, and underwear are manufactured by establishments in the apparel manufacturing industry. We also create many items of cut and sew garments such as blouses, suits, tops, and pants. For the industry, we take and transform natural and synthetic materials such as cotton and polyester into fabric, yarn, and thread. Yarns are coils or fibers ready to weave, knit, or otherwise intertwine to form a woven fabric. We serve as the basis for most textile manufacturing and are typically made of cotton, wool, or a synthetic fiber such as polyester. Yarn can also be made from thin fiber, paper, or metal sheets. In order to create spun yarn, organic fibers such as cotton and wool must first be filtered to eliminate contaminants and give the desired texture and durability to the products, as well as other features. The fibers are spun into yarn after this initial cleansing step. The textile materials are later processed into yarn and then transformed into cloth using various techniques such as weaving, knitting, and felting. It shapes the clothing vital component. The end product is determined by so many fibers properties such as fiber size, yarn thickness, twist yarns per inch, thread flow, how it is manufactured and completed. The clothing manufacturing industry is turning silk fabrics into garments and accessories. Traditionally, the clothing industry has consisted primarily of production staff who operated the cutting and sewing tasks in a production line. Despite advancements in technology and workforce practices, this industry remains labor-intensive. While many employees in Malaysia still conduct this process, the industry is gradually exporting its production work with international distributors to take advantage of lower labor costs in several other regions. Most of the remaining production workers operate in teams. Sewing machine operators, for example, are grouped into units of output. Each operator in a module is qualified to perform almost all of the functions needed to assemble a product. Each unit is liable for its own results, and usually individuals get remuneration based on the performance of the team. Thank you.
Madam, my name is Qian and my matrix number is 181221981. And today I will be presenting for the part of human resource and also suppliers information. First, human resource, our company's organizational chart. At the top is our general manager, no Syafiqah, and then is our sales and marketing manager, Lelashini, followed by our finance manager, Izzat, and our operation manager, Asmat. And then will be the human resources and administrative manager, that is me, and also our customer service manager, that is Syarifah Dini. Then I will explain a little bit about the remuneration and incentives of our company. So in total, every month the salary of all the 6 of us. So 6 of us, our salary every month is 15,600 ringgit for every month total, and each of us enjoy a different allowance. This is because for Lelashini, which is sales and marketing manager, her allowance is higher than others because she have to be roaming around to look after the sales of the company and also to make sure that our marketing plan works perfectly. So her allowance will be a bit more. Then is our EPF and SOCSO, and after adding all up, our total salary for 6 of us is 20,607 ringgit and 10 cents. Next, I will be entering for suppliers information. Because we are a fabric company, so we are using suppliers that we can find that is cheap, which is from Alibaba, and they provide good quality yarn for us for a cheaper price compared to other suppliers. So our first supplier is Quzhou County Fuhong Cotton Industry, which supply us white cotton yarn, 100% cotton yarn for 1,000 kilo. And then we have the supplier for our polyester yarn, which is Zhejiang Huilong New Materials. And the last one is the company that provide us with our linen yarn, which is Tongxiang Boje Trade. These 3 companies are all from China, and we found them by looking up on Alibaba and comparing their prices while having them to send us some samples to work on. That's all from my part. Thank you very much.
Syafiqah Binti Mustaza, my matric number 18122139. So today we will talk about manufacturing process. So in textile industry, they have 7 process, which is first is production. So the production is could be inclusive concert shape manufacturing facility. Next, a material receive inspection and garage to make sure get whole right material inside the right amount as well as right quantity after with storage in this right circumstance. Next is fabric spring and cutting. So this process to reduce cloth properly material is unfold in the layer shapes. Next is sewing. Okay, this process is most important process in industry of textile, which is all the component of garment are joined here to make an entire garment. Sewing technique is achieved with the aid of manual. Next is expectation interest are accomplished alongside all the produce. Each inline is very last expectation after finishing. Sewing expectation should be executed right here to make fold those clothes. Second last is finishing and ironing. For this process, here clothes are dealt with way of steam. Also required completing, have to complete here. Okay, and the last one is packaging and shipping. So this process to complete garment are packed here via the use of buyer. This method performed via manually. After finishing required process is sooner or later shipped to the purchaser.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Izzat bin Zainal Abidin. My matric number is 181221836. Today I'm going to tell my part in this assignment, which is the financial plan. So the first one is the sale budget. So the sale budget is the expected sale that are likely to be achieved in some period of time. So this is the first budget to be prepared by the company, so that we can estimate the expected sale that are likely to be achieved. So the second one you must do is the production budget. The production budget show the expected unit to be produced. So once the sale unit has been established, the production budget will be drawn up to determine to the number of units to be produced by considering the stock level that has to be maintained. So the third one is the direct material budget. Direct material budget shows of the raw material in terms of purchase, incorporating any stock level with a net effect of raw material consumed. So after the production unit have been set, the material need to be those product is established based on the type and quantity required. So taking into account the stock level required for the material, the amount of material to be purchased is determined from the cost of material to arrive at the total cost involved. So then number 4 is the direct labor budget. So direct labor budget is show the required direct labor hour, which the associated cost, which mean is the workers, how much hour the workers have been worked and how much money that we can pay. So the fifth one is manufacturing overhead budget. So a manufacturing overhead budget is the expected manufacturing overhead expenses to be incurred. So this budget record future expenses on manufacturing overhead, such as indirect material, indirect labor, supervisor salary, factory rent, and other else. So the next one is the selling and distribution budget. This budget lists various expenses that can be categorized under selling and administration expenses. So for example, like office rent, postage, and others. So another one is budget statement of profit and loss. So this we must calculate the profit and loss of the company. So the next one, we must do the financial position. But for me, I only do until cost of goods sold, because that is only I know about. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Allocation. Capital allocation is the process distribution of companies' financial resources with a purpose of enhancing a firm's long-term financial and also providing fair return to provider of risk capital. There are few methods of capital allocation that stated in the internet, but not all the method can apply for our Gifton's fabrics. The estimation capital that used is 380,000. This method is invest in organic growth. It refers to the simplest and straightforward a form of capital allocation that our company can use. Okay. For example, our designing and marketing department of Chieftain Fabric can start planning to create new product that have element of latest trend. Besides improving the existing product, it is because improving existing product is very important stage in order to attract more customer. Second is general equity fund. It's referred to open or closed fund that invest mainly in stock. Next, we also can allocate capital through departments. Okay, next, the capital resources is bank, investment, family, and the government.
So, since the economic beginning, Textile April has been the leader in terms of price and tension in addition to product innovations. So, textile posting consists of all spot purchase of uncut substance and accessory knitting fabric, processing and completing a fabric, stitching and picking of clothes, delivery, conveyance, shipping overhead, banking charges and commission, and many others. So, take a look of this table. Company using a traditional costing method. So if costing traditional method using for a product weight every unit fee RM74 ringgit. So the corporation adds in profit credit ratio of rejection and charge for award to the product. If the product is then offered for RM74 ringgit, organizations might also face a loss if the anticipated cost of product is wrong. Then the company or our company runs the hazard of creating much less cash than expected.
Lelashini from 21D, matrix number 181221855. So today I'll be presenting about the sales and the distribution channel. Sales are the exercise related to offering or the number of merchandise or administration sold in a given focus on time. The vendor or the supplier of the merchandise or administration completes a deal in reaction to and securing appropriate demand or a coordinate interaction with the buyer at the point of deal. To improve the sales in our business, we more focus on the customer and the shift to increase the sales performance rather than the profit. For the distribution channel part, distribution channel can be included as the raw material, suppliers, manufacturer, distributor, customer and consumers. For the raw materials can be clarified as a substance or fabric utilized within the fabrication or essential generation of the product. Crude materials are normal assets like oil, wood and press. Raw materials are frequently changed for utilized in different forms of prior to being utilized within the fabric prepared. For the manufacturing part, fabricating is making of merchandise by hand or by machine that upon completion the trade offers to the client. Things utilized in make many crude materials or component part of bigger item. The fabricating ordinarily happens on a large-scale generation line of appropriates and gifted labor. For the warehouse is a huge building where crude materials or made products may put earlier to the convenience for the deal. For the distribution part, distribution is an action of both offering and conveying items and administration from product to the client. This could more be called item. As business ended up more worldwide, it gets to be vital to move forward dispenser to guarantee the client that all individuals of the dispenser channel are upbeat. For the customer part, in this business, the customer will contact us to get the information regarding the product and will buy our product by visiting our website. That will make the communication better and easier. Customer can visit our website anytime, anywhere they are and find more details about us on the website. Customer also can email us regarding any detailed information they need about our textile. We also have a WhatsApp group for the customer. Customer can contact us to get more details in the WhatsApp group as well. Thank you. Future plan. Future plan is a key to any commerce all through in present. We arrange to contribute in more progressive innovation to upgrade. We also expected to preserve our long-lasting relationship with our client by giving more value-added administration such as special booster and representative after-sales administration. For instance, we arranged to supply more comprehensive incoming certificate testing for client on the clean room product. To enhance our customer quality control strategy, we propose to form accessible our current reports on the quality of our item to bigger number of customers. We too expected to have worldwide deals organized and tap into cross-border commerce openings, enter into insured markets and investigate ventures opening through acquisition, retail collusions and joint vendors with appropriate key appliance. We are going to investigate opening to grow our fabricating operation into other nations that will give us with competitive prehensive basically in terms of our howling our customer needs as well as other locational benefits. Thank you.